Rufa Gutierrez nanawagan ng panalangin sa publiko, para sa kanyang ama na si Eddie Gutierrez na sasailalim sa isang medical procedure sa Singapore. Sa latest social media post ni Rufa, nitong Miyerkules ika-10 ng Disyembre, sinabi niya ang ilang detalye kaugnay sa operasyong gagawin sa kanyang ama. Aniya, please join us in prayer as our dad, Eddie Gutierrez, undergoes his first spinal procedure today in Singapore with Dr. Prem Pillay at the Neurospine and Pain Center, Mount Elizabeth Hospital. Dagdag pa niya, we humbly ask for prayers for a successful procedure, steady hands for the doctors, and complete healing for our dad. May everything go smoothly and unfold according to his perfect will. Kasunod nito nagpaabot agad ng pasasalamat ang aktres para sa mga magdarazzle, sumusuporta, at tumitindig kasama nila sa gitna ng kanilang pinagdadaanan. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts to everyone who has been praying, supporting, and standing with us through this difficult journey. Your prayers, generosity, and kindness mean more to us than words can express. We truly feel your love. Matatanda ang nauna nang ibinahagi ni Annabel Rama sa isang panayam na wala siyang planong mag-party, ngayong holiday season dahil tututukan niya ang kalagayan ng mister.